Welcome to our channel where we teach you how you can leverage on the tools of the internet and make serious amount of money for yourself. This video will be explained to you how you can earn over $32,000 in this amazing opportunity called MetaWhale. This opportunity has started it started in 2022, and the founder of this business opportunity is called Lado Oklunikov. This opportunity has helped a lot of people in Nigeria globally. Over 2 million members are already member of this ecosystem, and they are making money every day. People have made over $100,000, $200,000, $300,000. I'll be sharing with you the strategies to which you can make money. Now, let's go straight to the point. We have various aspects of this business that can give you money. Number one, through the NFT holding, through the NFT. NFT means non-fungible token. I'll be telling you more about it as we progress in this video. Through spillovers, number two, then a play to earn game. There are games that you can play in this ecosystem and you make money by holding our own coin called the Whale Bitcoin. This coin started pre-sale at 25 cents some time ago, and the coin is on the rising side. Already it's over 10x. People are already making so much money. So you too can join us and make money by holding the coin. Most importantly, by registering new members into the ecosystem. In this aspect of the business, which is called tactics and strategy, you see, tactics and strategy is a strategy for you to build wealth. It's divided into two aspects. One aspect is called the S3 and the other aspect is called the S6. In this S3, X6, they have 12 levels, level 1 to level 12. As you can see on my screen, level 1 to level 12. So this aspect of the business is referred to as S6, while this other aspect is referred to as S3. The first aspect is referred to as S3. Let me show you again for clarity's sake. This aspect is referred to as S3, where you have 3 spots in your matrix. Then this other aspect I am touching now, which have 6 spots, is known as S6. All these are money making ventures for you in this ecosystem. All this I'll be explaining to you as you go further. In the S6 aspect of this business, you see you have 6 positions that helps you to make money. 6 positions that helps you to make money. 3 of this position brings money into your wallet. 3 of this position brings money into your wallet straight away, while the other 3 takes money to your community, which means in the S6 aspect, you make money from both your community effort and your personal effort. Out of these 6 spots, the money comes straight into your wallet. 3 come straight into your wallet because this is a decentralized smart contract where money comes straight into your wallet. Which wallet are you recommended to use? Token Pocket, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask? In this wallet, you'll be given 12 phrase. Please keep that your 12 phrase to yourself. It's your personal property. Don't share it with anybody you don't trust. So in the bottom line, in the S6, you make money straight into your wallet, 300% of whatever you are contributing. Wonderful. As you can see it on my slide, let me indicate it for you again. So this on the base, out of these 4, 3 comes into your wallet. 1, 2, and 3 goes into your own wallet. Why this serves as recycling for you, which helps you to keep money making money again and again and again. You can see that arrow pointing up shows that the money goes into the ecosystem, goes into another person's wallet, all just because you are earning from your team, your upline, your downline, and your sidelines. They help you to make money in this aspect of the business. Why 3 go straight into your wallet? What an amazing opportunity. And the S3 is also another aspect of the business where you make money through your own personal effort, by the people you refer, through the people you're able to connect to the opportunity. Now, out of these 3, 2 come straight into your wallet, while 1 goes as recycling for you, which helps you to make money again and again and again. As you can see, this business, this tactics and strategy is in 12 levels, level 1 to 12. Now, each of the level has their unique prices: $10, $18, $32.4, $52.38, $104, and on till you get to level 12. Level 12 is $6,426.84. So all these spots makes you money. They help you to make so much money. Wonderful. So much money. Now, let's go straight. Now, when in the S3, which is level in S6, which is level 1, 2, 4, 8, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. You make money 300 pounds, which means if you pay $10, you are going to make times 3. But take note, for every level you activate, you are contributing 10% to a global pool. This is another aspect of making money. The global pool helps you to make money passively just because you are holding NFT. In this business, when you get to a particular level, you can see, when you get to a particular level, you begin to make passive income. From level 5, you get NFT. But from level 10, that NFT that you have gotten helps you to make passive income in this business through the NFT global fund pool. You make money. That is one way of making money. You also make spillover. You earn spillover in the S6 just by activating X's level 1, level 2, level 4, level 5, level 7, level 8, level 10, and 11. You earn spillovers from your community export. You don't need to do anything. Just being there can help you to make money. However, the spillovers are referred to as extra bonus. They are not guarantees. They come at any time. You cannot put a time frame to when they will come. But registering new member is one of the most interesting part of the business where you make so much money. Imagine in level 12, you are able to connect somebody to activate level 12. You are making $6,400 instantly. What an amazing opportunity. We have the auto upgrade, we have the reactivation, which helps you to keep making money again and again and again. As you can see on my slide, the recommended slide level is to start from level 1 to level 5. Level 1 to level 5. You start that, you begin to make so much money. Your net profit is over $32,000 after you have done every reactivation from level 1 to level 12. That's all you need to do, is to duplicate yourself, connect other people to the opportunity, just the way you are watching my video on YouTube, watching it on Telegram now, send on WhatsApp now, send the same video to other persons. As they develop interest, you guide them just the way you were guided about the opportunity, and they get started. Now, this is the pool I was talking about. For every activation you do, when you pay $10, for every activation you do, you are paying 10% into this pool. You are contributing to 10% into this pool, and this pool money is redistributed to every member of the ecosystem who have qualified to receive. Everybody is going to have an NFT from level 5, but royalty program from level 10. We have the company development, the token buyback, and token burning, which helps our token called Meta Whale to continually increase in value. What an amazing opportunity. This is our token, which is abbreviated as CES, but its full name is called Whale Bitcoin. Whale Bitcoin. Look at the whale. What an amazing opportunity. This coin has potential to rise to over $100, $1,000 in the nearest future. Buy this coin just as if you were privileged to buy Bitcoin at the early days when it was less than $1. So you buy this coin, you hold this coin, and you'll be amazed at the kind of capital gain that it will give you. In this opportunity, you are going to be earning residual income, you are going to be earning capital gain, you are going to be earning passive income, and you're going to be getting active income. All you just need to do is to get started in this ecosystem, and there are other various ways that is coming also in this ecosystem. As you can see, the whale beats, the whale network, the royalty, the whale dex, and the academy. The earning making opportunity in this ecosystem is enormous. Like, remember, for every activation you are doing, you are contributing some amount, which is 10% into the fund pool, and every other one comes into your wallet. And at the end, in level 1, you are on a single circle, you make 27 cents. On the other circle, you are making $27. You are making $58. I wish I can just show you that aspect of the business here also. But most importantly, the opportunity is so generous that you can make so much money. You understand? You can make so much money. This is the aspect of the business I'm telling you. You pay $10, your net profit is $9. You pay $18, your net profit is $16. As you can see, just screenshot it so that you can see what you'll be earning. And another aspect is that by the end, for one circle, you make $27. For second circle, $48, $58, $157. Till you get to level 12, you have made a total of $39,000. Wow. And you can make this within 3 months to 6 months, depending on how intentional you are about this opportunity. Click on the link below to show you a video on how you can get started immediately. Don't waste time, don't second guess. This opportunity is so generous that it will transform your life completely and take you to a journey of financial freedom. God bless you as you act upon the information that you have gotten, because information is just understanding. Comprehension is the cocoa, and wealth is the crown for the wise. Brothers and sisters, brace yourself, because you are qualified for greatness. See you at the top, and let's be on the journey together, earning global amount of money to $39,000.